Vikalp Method, and I'll be presenting a topic which would be the CSR study of the company Wipro. Wipro was founded in December of 1945 by Mohammad Premji, who is the father of renowned businessman Azim Premji. Wipro is a leading technology services and consulting company of India. Currently, Azim Premji, who is a very popular name among the household, is the leader of Wipro. He is also a philanthropist, which means that he donates most of his income towards social welfare. Some of the key areas in which Wipro is involved are education, healthcare, ecology, disaster response, and public spaces. These are some of the areas where Wipro spends most of their money by conducting the CSR activity. In 2022 and 2023, they spent 215.7 crore in CSR, which was more than their mandated amount of 198.6 crore, which was around 17 to 20 crore surplus, which shows Wipro's commitment towards their corporate social responsibility. It can also be seen by the fact that Mr. Azim Premji, who is a philanthropist, he has created more than 2,40,000 crore rupees worth of philanthropic endowment fund, which means that more than 2,40,000 crore rupees of his total income till date he has spent on CSR and other social welfare activities. Some of the facts of this current year are they have spent their amount to more than 75,000 people in over 53 villages have been helped by Wipro. In education, they have taught more than 47,000 children, and they have planted over 1 lakh trees in this financial year. Wipro was also ranked number 2 in the Financial Times Climate Leader Asia Pacific 2023 report. So this is a brief on the CSR activity which is undertaken by Wipro. Thank you.
We are having the presentations on CSR activities. First presentation was done by Vikalp, next is by Bhumika, and all of you have to give presentations on the different CSR philosophies and activities done by the companies in our country. So over to Bhumika for the presentation.
Thank you, sir. Myself Bhumika Kaushik, as you all know. I will introduce my NGO Aroha. That is the biggest NGO of Bhopal. They work for the student who did not pay the fees for the schools and the colleges. They go in the slum area and see which student is working so hard for the education and who is not having their parents. I saw in the COVID time, those parents were lost by the students. The Srinivasan Bhaiya has taken that student and they gone to the Carmel Convent School, which is in BHEL. They mainly provide the girls education. जैसे जिनके पेरेंट्स नहीं है वो उनको बहुत उन्होंने मेहनत की है उन बच्चों के साथ कि एक NSHM करके एग्जाम होता है जो 9th में लेते हैं बच्चों के लिए, उनको स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड होती है MP गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा. उसमें उनको करीबन 20 लाख तक का मिलता है. आपको उसमें MBBS रहता है, इंजीनियरिंग रहता है और भी जो बच्चा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम देना चाहता है वो रहता है उसमें. तो वो उसमें पूरा उनको एजुकेशन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट प्रोवाइड कराते हैं MP गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू और बहुत सारी स्कॉलरशिप्स रहती हैं. जैसे अगर बच्चा अच्छा निकल जाता है तो उसमें उनको गवर्नमेंट जॉब भी प्रोवाइड कराते हैं. जैसे आप जा सकते हैं AIGGPA है डिपो चौराहे पे, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी संस्थान कर है, वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं तो उसमें भी वो टाइप करते हैं. उसी से एक और टाइप है, एक मैरिट का बहुत बड़ा यंग थिंकर फोरम है, मैं उससे भी टाइप हूँ. वहाँ पे आपको पूरा इंडियन नेशनल के बारे में बताते हैं. वहाँ बच्चे बहुत कुछ मेहनत करते तो उनके थ्रू बहुत सी चीजें होती है. जैसे अभी अधीर शंकराचार्य की मूर्ति बनी है ओंकारेश्वर में रिसेंटली, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चों को लेके गए थे. जैसे कुछ बच्चे भरतनाट्यम में अच्छे से प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं, अच्छे से डांस कर रहे हैं, कथक में कर रहे हैं, तो उनको वहाँ पे वो चीज मिली है. और अभी जैसे अयोध्या में राम मंदिर बनने वाला है तो वो बच्चों के नाम वहाँ पे भी गए हुए हैं भोपाल से 2-3 बच्चों के. तो वो बहुत अच्छे से वो करते हैं. जो श्रीनिवासन भैया है वो ऑल ओवर द इंडिया में काम कर रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए कि वो अच्छा अपना बेस्ट दे सके उसमें. थैंक यू.
all present over here. Myself Janvi Singh and I am standing in front of you to give presentation on the familiar topic Tata. The Tata is a global automobile manufacturing company everyone is familiar of. Tata have 6 tenets of CSR activities. They are as follows: adopting human life cycle approach, upstream and downstream linkages, philosophy of more from less for more, leveraging all stakeholders, measuring social capital or leveraging technology. Tata also work for the social beneficial, and they have they have 6 tenets for this also. The Vidyalam for education of the people, those who are not familiar for that. Kaushalya, that stands for employability, and Vasundhara for the environment. Amrit Dhara for drinking water, Aadhar affirmative action, and Seva for volunteering in the societal benefit. Thank you.
Very good. Yes, next.
Tanis telling you about the company Hero.
Hero.
So as we all know, Hero is our world largest automobile two-wheeler company, and his founder was Mr. Brajmohan Lal Munjal, और उन्होंने ये कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी मैं हीरो के कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स बताना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों को CSR एक्टिविटी के लिए। तो प्रीवियस ईयर में हीरो ने 88 करोड़ CSR एक्टिविटी में लगाए थे, और जिनमें से कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स थे प्रोटेक्ट बायोडाइवर्सिटी। तो उन्होंने बायोडाइवर्सिटी के लिए मतलब कि अरावली हिल्स में प्रोटेक्शन के लिए उन्होंने मेंटेनेंस का काम कराया था, और ग्रीन एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन के लिए उन्होंने सोलर प्लांट्स लगाए थे, और वाटर कंजर्वेशन के लिए अवेयरनेस फैलाई, एंड हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए भी उन्होंने प्रॉपर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप किया। और एजुकेशन सेक्टर में भी उन्होंने रिमीडियल सेंटर्स बनवाए, स्कॉलरशिप्स प्रोवाइड की गवर्नमेंट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, एंड और हेल्थ केयर के लिए भी उन्होंने मतलब कि अपने, जैसे कि आपको पता होगा कि जो ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर है उसमें हर साल नए मॉडल्स लॉन्च होते हैं, तो पुराने जो रहते हैं वो टोटल वेस्ट चले जाते हैं और उनको कम दाम में बेचना पड़ता है। तो उन्होंने अपने प्रीवियस ईयर के मोटरसाइकिल्स जो बच गए थे, जो ओल्ड मॉडल हुए थे, उन्होंने 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा यूनिट इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को एज द हेल्थ केयर और मोबाइल एम्बुलेंस के तौर पर फ्री में गिफ्ट करे, और वो भी खुद उसको मॉडिफाई करके ताकि उसको एज ए मोटरसाइकिल एम्बुलेंस यूज कर सकें। एंड रोड सेफ्टी के लिए भी उन्होंने अवेयरनेस फैलाई, प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग दी, एंड
Yes, very good. बहुत अच्छा.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Isha Baraskar. Today, I am talking about the CSR activities of HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. HUL is founded in 1933. Its main focus area providing education on health and hygiene, women empowerment, water management, rehabilitation of special or underprivileged children, care for the destitute and HIV positive, rural development, and some HUL major CSR projects are Projects Shakti, Sanjeevani, Asha Dan and Ankur, Swachh Adat, Swachh Bharat. Thank you.
Very good. Yes.
Good morning everyone, myself Niyati Yadav. Today I am here to give the presentation on the topic Infosys. It is the second largest IT sector company. The company was founded in Pune and headquartered in Bangalore. It was established in 1981 by N.R. Narayan Murthy. His full name is Nagwa Rama Rao Murthy. N.R. Narayan Murthy is an Indian billionaire businessman. Salil Parekh is the present CEO of Infosys. The CSR activities held by Sudha Murthy. She is the wife of N.R. Narayan Murthy. Infosys established a foundation in 1996. To fulfill their CSR initiative, it works towards removal of malnutrition, improving infrastructure related to healthcare, preserving Indian art and culture, being auxiliary towards primary education, providing rehabilitation, the needy women and children, etc. Thank you.
Thank you. Sherry, thank you very much for this presentation on CSR activities. I hope that you will search more about the CSR activities of the companies, and in next time all of you will give the presentation on CSR, because this is a very important topic. As companies are taking resources from the society, so it is their duty, and most of the companies are performing these duties. You can identify through their websites. Thank you very much. Thank you for today.